Thama simbona nje. Sishonela amaphoyisa mawumbone nje now. But then now, Njani, why are they not going to Nandipha? Sani Bonani, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've been part of the channel, please make sure you subscribing. Please make sure that you comment. Please make sure that you are part of the channel by all means necessary, and it's free to comment. So today, guys, so I speak funny. So we have good news or something that is developing, aka suspects have been arrested. They were arrested in Cape Town. So they say amaphoyisa phela into eshobheka icele angisayithi ungathola nje abayibophela umuntu ongahlangene. Remember how Senzo Meyiwa case is going. They've arrested abantu abathithina sasingekho ngisho kuba khona lapho. So I don't know how that well, it's possible ukuthi umuntu phela commit a crime in Durban bese yabaleka. So apparently the people who killed aka and Utips, his manager, they have been found, they have been arrested. They are the suspects. We are not saying it's them. Pegitele has said we found them, so now they are being driven down, I hope, not flown down. So they are being taken back to KZN, to here, to Durban, so that's again I don't know how I feel though. I really this why it took them so long, you know. I just feel like Google team they just want to do an arrest just simply because we are asking, the South Africans are asking, Mpagat is asking Uguti, what is happening? Is it the same case as Uqinifane Nia Senzo Meyanga Tolali Moto? DJ somebody's ones. Where are they? You know, we have never heard of any arrest. You know, when you think about these things, it's just a bit tricky. There's this guy, the guy is, futhi nje umuntu akangalokho ekhuluma ngabantu kumele ababoshwe ngaze sithole sesiyima target market. Thina sesiyi target. Sesiyi target market, nase siyi target. It's target market. No, target market is something else. No, a target is a target. A target market is something else. I guess Nina. Ave ngibuka ngiphusha bese singisi. Kodwa ngiyanithanda ngoba niyahlala nge channel. Okusho ukuthi you understand. More other good news also is the fact that the correctional services, that was the SAPS. In fact, no. The SAPS who said thina South Africans bayacela ukuthi ke indaba ka Bester sibasiza sibuyiseleni uBester move. Guys, so but yes, it is confirmed that the person watholakala eshisiwe kwangayena uBester because they did the DNA no maga Bester but then akuhlangana kusho ukuthi uTabo Bester, the Facebook rapist, is out there, and now they are sure, they are saying so. But then the cop says it's to cope the prison that Tabo aphume kuyona eMangaung. It's one of the safest prison ever. It's private, by the way. I got private security. Uphume kanjani. So surely utheme phuma ukhishiso umuntu. So and then Meg G said they spoke with that guy who broke the news about this, and the guy mentioned amagama abantu abasabekayo abanemali. They had to make G like, shucks, we are not dropping this episode because we are not going to speak about these people. If we speak about these people, you have to put me episode so so it shows that a lot of people were involved. But then imagine, the guy used to call himself a Tabo WhatsApp, something like that. That guy did DM me too, and then I blocked him. Like he's legit here. So Tabo, they want Tabo Bester they want Tabo Bester. They are pleading with us. Thomas Simbona nje. Sishonela amaphoyisa mawumbone nje now. But then now, Njani, why are they not going to Nandipha, Dr. Nandipha, and say, hey, we want your boyfriend or your man or your what? Guys, this thing is so fucked up. There's this girl also called Pumeza Tenga. Pumzo, something like this. Pumzo, but she goes by Pumi. She's beautiful. She got money. She was involved in this thing. But then she has then spoken, what's here is distance and lying. Why lento ya into But what I love about all of this, Dr. Nandipha, namanje ugirlzo akakhuluma lutho ningakhuluma nize niyoyilahla konini awugela akaza kunaloko uzikhiphela into yakhe wathi just business as usual. On Wednesday, Dr. Nandipha, when you open, we are going there. We are not coming to do our tummies and faces. Sizofuna uThabo. You must give us Tabo Bester, the Facebook rapist, your boyfriend, your husband, whatever the fuck you call him, because government said, not the government, the police said they want him, we all want him. We must call. Anyway, thank you so much for pulling through to my YouTube channel. And please make sure you engage. You say things there that need to be done and to be said. I'm going to see you on the next video, my board members. Thank you.